वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आज हम अबैकस में -4 से रिगार्डिंग कुछ सम्स को सॉल्व करेंगे। जैसे यहाँ पे फर्स्ट सम है 8, देन -4, देन अगेन -4. नाउ आंसर विल बी 0. नेक्स्ट सम 22, देन 7, देन -4. नाउ आंसर विल बी 25. Reset the beats. Next sum 13, then 5, then -4. Now answer will be 14. You can see here. Reset the beats. Next sum 9, then -4, then 3, then again -4. Now answer will be 4. You can see here. Reset the Abacus board. Next sum 11, then 3, then -4, then again -4. Now answer will be 6. Reset the board. Next sum 15, then -4, then 8, then -4. Now answer will be 15. Reset the beats. Next sum 16, then -4, then 8, then again -4. Now answer will be 16. Reset the beats. Next sum 3, then 6, then -4. Now answer will be 5. Reset the beats. Next sum 34, then 6, then 5, then -4. Now answer will be 41. Reset the beats. Next sum 25, then 4, then -5, then -4. Now answer will be 10. Reset the beats. Next sum 17, then -4, then 8, then -4. Now answer will be 17. You can see here. Reset the board. Next sum 9, then -3, then 4, then -4. Now answer will be 6. Reset the beats. Next sum 39, then 9, then +1, then -4. Now answer will be 45. Reset the beats. Next sum 51, then 8, then -4, then again -4. Now answer will be 51. Reset the beats. Next sum 73, then 1, -4. Now answer will be 70. Reset the beats. Next sum 14, then 5, then -3, then -4. Now answer will be 12. Reset the beats. Next sum 16, then -4, then 5. Now answer will be 17. Reset the beats. Next sum 18, then -5, then 6, then -4. Now answer will be 15. Reset the beats. Thank you.